up this morning to somebody judging me. No surprise they judging me. Don't know who I'm supposed to be. I'm just acting up and crash as fucking never saying sorry. Found out in the end that I can only do it for me.
Hey guys, I'm currently in Somalia and today we are in Las Manod, but we are gonna go on a journey to Buhotle. This is our big body. Welcome to Buhotle.
soo dhawaada
لبدي ميسي لسعانوتي لبو ما لبدي ميسي meeshaan waa dahab asxaabta waa dahab ma sha Allah
Jaliyaye